For today's recipe, what we need are onions, garlic, ginger, chicken cube, pepper leaves, papaya, and the chicken. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel.
Hi guys.
This is Apple once again and my baby Hub.
I'm a big baby.
So for today's video, we're going to cook again. The recipe that we're going to make for today is what we call tinolang manok or chicken tinola. This is a known recipe for all Filipinos. I know this is an easy one as well, yet I still want to share this to all of you. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. And if you'd like to know more about it, then continue watching. For our first step, heat oil in a pan and saute the garlic and onions. Next is to add the ginger and cook it for a few minutes. Then we can start adding the chicken, cook it until it turns light brown. Once the chicken turns light brown, we can add 1 tablespoon of patis or what we call fish sauce. Mix it and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Next is to add half pitcher of water. Cover it and let it boil for 30 minutes. Once it boils, add the chicken cube and at the same time add the papaya. Let the papaya cook for a few minutes or until it softens. For the last step, we can add the pepper leaves and a pinch of salt to taste. Cook it for 3 minutes, then we're good. Transfer it into a serving bowl and we're ready to eat. Here's our finished product, our very own tinolang manok or chicken tinola. You can also cook your own version of tinolang manok or chicken tinola. Let me know guys if what's your result. Just comment down below. Thank you so much guys for watching. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up, subscribe to my channel,
Subscribe.
hit the bell button right next to it for you to be updated of my recent uploads. See you on my next video.
Bye.